solve the initial value problem. So this is going to be a pretty quick example here. So in the previous example, we actually solved this exact equation, and the only difference now is we have an initial condition. So our y when x equals 4 is equal to 3. And so from the previous video, we have the general solution of this exact equation is 7x squared y cubed minus e to the x plus sine y equals a constant. And so for a particular solution, you have to find the value of c, and these tend to be the easiest c's to actually solve for because they're always by themselves on the right hand side. And so what we do is we're just going to plug in 4 for x and 3 for y and see what value pops out. So we'll have 7 times, 4 squared times 3 cubed minus e to the 4th plus sine of 3. And that is c. And if we simplify that a little bit, and I look at my notes here for that big number, this number here is 3024. And then it's not going to get any nicer if we actually compute these and approximate them. So I'm just going to leave them as is. So minus e to the 4th plus sine of 3 equals c. So then the particular solution, the solution to the initial value problem, is the solution to the equation. So 7x squared y cubed, 7x squared y cubed minus e to the x plus sine of y is equal to 3024 minus e to the 4th plus sine of 3. And that's how you solve initial value problems for exact equations. You just plug in your x and your y value that you're given the initial condition for, see what pops out for c, and that is now the right-hand side, and you keep the left-hand side as the solution to the exact equation, the f of x comma y.